Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party. And the first one is when you listen to music or watching the movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use controls at your speaker. With the controls, so we have them at the top, also we have some controls at the back side. With these controls you can turn on and turn off the speaker, you can enter prank mode, you can play next or previous track, you can also volume control your audio, you can change LED light mode, color, LED light color. You can enable or disable bass boost, so it's a good one. And the next one, so we can enable or disable bass boost, meaning that we have bass boost at this speaker. So at the back side, right here we have bass button, you need to single press on it, and now we have the LED light, so we just enable bass boost. If you don't like this mode, you can disable it by single press also, and right now there is no LED light. Also we have TVS mode, so it's a good one also. Next, we have the LED light at the speaker, so right here, right now I have the orange one, and with the controls, let me show it to you with this side. With the power button we can change LED light mode or we can disable or enable it. Now, your speaker should be turned on to change LED light color. With a single press you will change LED light color, and as you can see I have a different one. And with the double press you can turn off LED light if you don't need this mode. 1, 2. And with the single press you can enable it. Cool. Next, this speaker have dual connection, meaning that you can connect two devices to your speaker simultaneously. So it's also a good one. And if you have some trouble with your speaker, you can fix it by performing the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, you need to press and hold at the same time play pause button and volume up button for at least 2 seconds until your speaker turns off, and then you need to reconnect it with your phone. But if you still don't know how to perform the factory reset, you can check video at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!